third mobile telecoms provider to start operation in Jamaica soon. This will see the competition heighten between Digicel and Flow. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A third operator in the mobile telecommunications sector will soon be operated in Jamaica, according to Darrell Vaz, the minister with responsibility for telecommunications. Vaz provided the update on Tuesday during his contribution to the 2025-2026 sectoral debate in the House of Representatives. He told Parliament that he has been given the assurance that the company is far advanced in its preparatory activities. The people of Jamaica can expect a rollout of the services soon, Vaz reiterated. He further added that everything that the government do is to ensure that Jamaica is an active, agile participant in the digital era, proudly competitive and fully connected.
The status of the third domestic mobile telecommunication provider. I had a meeting last week with the EU ambassador and the European banks, and I was heartened that they could give me a confirmation that a recommendation will go to the board of the bank for the funding for the third telecom provider, which Rock Mobile. They have gotten several extensions because of not being able to roll out COVID and other factors. And we have been very sympathetic because we understand the landscape. But this is the first time that I can stand here in Parliament and indicate that I was given the assurance, and I'm expecting to get a letter stating that in short order once the approval of the board, but the recommendation is there. So we look forward to that, because that also will do big things in terms of improving service in unserved areas and, of course, giving options to consumers in the near future. So I don't want to preempt, but I think it's important that the country knows, and I look forward to updating you.
Jamaica is currently served by two telecommunications providers, Digicel and Flow. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.